Platforms like Adsterra and Monetag are ad networks that allow publishers to actually monetize their website. Okay, some of you come to my DM asking me how does Adsterra work, how does Monetag works, how does hit up ad works, and all of those questions. Right here in this very video I'm going to be breaking them down. This network gives you faster approval than other ad network, okay, which means once you set up your account on this platform and get your website fully optimized and developed, then they can actually approve you. The same strategy is what Monetag runs with, it's what hit up ad runs with, another ad network, okay. But right now most of you get it wrong. So right here in this video I'm going to be showing you the basic strategies and steps you need to take for you to actually succeed in all of these, okay. So before you think about creating your account on this very platform, which is Adsterra or Monetag, first thing you need to do is to ask yourself, how am I going to get people to visit my website? Okay, for instance, if I search for secret MTN chip code, and the reason why I search for this particular stuff is because I want to subscribe for MTN data, but I don't have a lot of money to spend. Okay, I want the code that can actually give me bonuses and lots more, okay, without breaking the bank. So I went online and searched for secret MTN chip code. All right, and after that overview, you're gonna see right here my own website is already ranking as #1. You can see this is mainjohnfrancis.com. Second website that is ranking is androidport.com. all right, the third website are YouTube, and this my own right here was actually written this month, but it's already ranking. This is because of the optimization my team does when developing and monetizing a website, okay. So if my team are building your website, they're going to simply be optimizing it and also making sure that all the on-page SEO, off-page SEO, the integrations, the technical setup are all in place, okay. So this is going to simply help you to target the right people that you wish to bring to your website, okay. So if you tell yourself that you want to actually bring people that want health benefit or health solution, then that means you are in health niche. If you tell yourself that you want to bring people that are tech lovers, okay, then you have to be writing and posting something about tech, AI, and a lot more, okay. You can post about mobile phone, all of these things are tech, and you're going to see the tech lovers visiting your website each time they search on the browser section. So automatically I've already gotten a visitor from the search, okay. So after I'm optimizing your website for search, remember you keep on adding posts, adding more posts, so that each time someone search for something online, okay, you can see, does MTN have cheapest data plan, does MTN, what is free data promo on MTN, and lot more of these questions. You can answer them on your blog website, okay, just because you want to target these people that are searching for this. And if you scroll down, you're going to see this particular blog website we post every single time on this very website, okay. Just take a look at this. We can see why this particular post was added 29 seconds ago. Even while I'm making this video right now, we are already posting on this particular website, which means we want to actually get more traffic to be able to get more tractions on our Adsterra and also on our Monetag, okay. So remember, this is a business, you have to take it serious. You don't just wake up and expect a lot of things to happen without you doing anything, okay. All right, so once you head over to your website, the next you need to do is simply click on this add new post, okay. If your website has been developed by my team, optimized and also monetized, then this is basically how you can actually start running your website with the Adsterra that has been added in it, and also Monetag has been added in it, okay. This is where you can actually add your blog content, okay. But right now we don't know anything to add. For instance, my team have already developed your website, monetize it and deliver to you. This is what you have to simply start doing every single day to be able to start getting more traffic and also getting more tractions on your website, on your Adsterra and Monetag, okay. You can do this daily, you can do it 3 times in a day, you can do it 4 times in a day, okay. The next you need to do is simply visit this particular website. This particular website is going to simply help you a lot. So this is a free keyword research tool. The next you need to do is simply add some of the keywords that are related to your own niche, okay. So if you don't know the keywords that are related to your own niche, go to ChatGPT, then add this prompt. This is what I wrote here. My blog niche is tech and business. So you're going to be replacing this to the niche you've already selected. If your niche is relationship, you can actually replace this with relationship, okay. You have to send it out, okay. ChatGPT is going to simply give you all the keywords related to your niche, okay, based on the ones with high volume. All right, copy this, only tech business. Then I can copy this and go to the AI tool. Once you're on this place, click on this and paste it right here, and you have to simply send it, okay. So once you submit it, then this is what you're going to be doing right now. So you can see assistance now, new tech business is ranking, giving us over 1k visitors daily, all right, which means the lower the competition, the higher for you to rank, and the higher the competition, the lower for you to rank. Understand it metrics, okay. Let's say I want to go with tech business names, okay. Let's say I want to search for this. I have to simply type it right here. When I type it, you can see tech business name generator, now tech business name. This now tech business name also popped up right here. That to show you that this too is actually accurate. Okay, if you see people that are already competing with you and they're writing a certain number of stuff, you have to make sure you increase your own, let's say times 5 or times 10. All right, 1000 plus tech business name ideas. Okay, I'm going to be telling it to give us a title that will match this particular keyword. Okay, best blog high ranking and SEO optimized title for this keyword. Okay, we have 1500 plus tech business name. Remember, I didn't complete it. Okay, so I want you to complete it for me and make it 100% highly optimized. Okay, so let's go ahead and send it. Okay, you can see 1500 tech business name ideas 2026, unique, catchy and brandable names for startup. Okay, why it works, it's giving us the reason why it works. This one right here is primarily SEO title. Okay, so this one is high CTR SEO title variation. We have 500 tech business to use in 2026 or unique and available ideas. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff going on right here. Select this. Okay, so once you have this in place, the next you need to do right now is simply go over to your Perplexity AI. Okay, we're going to be going to Perplexity AI. All right, when you add the title, go back to your blog website again. The keyword we're targeting is tech business names, all right, or tech business name ideas. All right, so once we have this in place, the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead and copy this particular prompt. I'm going to be giving you a prompt. So if my team have already built and developed your website, monetized it, then you can actually use this particular prompt, write original content, SEO optimized content. We come to this very section right here, and we're going to simply be adding the prompt first before the title. Okay, so let's add it here. Then this is going to simply start writing this 100% unique, okay, in HTML. Okay, so I'm going to be copying this particular HTML and I'm also going to be editing it. And for me to edit it, I'm going to simply turn it to a visual word. Okay, so come over to your website and you have to simply click on this code. Remember, we're going to be adding this as a code first before we go to visual section. Okay, then paste this particular code here, click on this visual. This is the title. Copy the keyword you're targeting. Okay, when you copy that, you can see that our SEO is still 20. We want to actually make it from 50 above. Okay, so if you're getting 50 above, you are good. Okay, right here you can show you we've already gotten 70. Okay, we have gotten 70 plus. Okay, add a featured image first. Okay, then click on this instant image. Okay, so this instant image, you can actually install it on your website. All right, we're going to be getting these royalty free images from Unsplash, OpenVerse, Pixabay and a lot more. Okay, so just search for tech business, or you search for tech business. Just make sure you search for anything related to that blog content you are making. Okay, then it's going to simply give you the stuff you need. I want to go with this lady right here. The alternate text should be what we are targeting. This is what we are targeting and we're going to be adding it here. Okay, so once you have that in place, set this as featured image. Okay, it has been set already. Remember, this featured image also have our own targeted keyword. Okay, which means our SEO is going to simply be much more better. We're going to simply go ahead and edit this particular blog content, go through it. I'm going to be doing that right now before making this post public and live. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Welcome back. This is what we have right now. We've already edited this particular blog content, so you can see where the post has been published. Just click on this view post. You can see the advertisement are displaying already, and we have Adsterra ad here. We have Monetag. As we've already published this, just give it a few minutes, give it a few hours, it will start being indexed. The people that are searching for this particular keyword right here will end up seeing my blog content every single time, and me sharing it on Facebook, on LinkedIn article, on Pinterest and a lot more will actually give me more extra traffic, more faster. And remember, this particular website has been developed by my team and also monetized by my team, so I don't need to do any other stuff. I can handle this particular website on my mobile phone even without a laptop. For those of you who are asking, can I do this with my mobile phone? Yes, 100%. You can handle your blogging with your mobile phone. Okay, as long as my team have already developed a website, optimize it, monetize it with their desktop, then deliver it to you you can start running it from your mobile phone. You don't need to do any other stuff again with laptop. So go ahead and get your website fully developed and monetized for you, and you start using this particular strategy to run your website. Okay, if you want this particular prompt that I use, then make sure you join us in our Telegram channel and also chat me on my WhatsApp. My team are going to simply deliver that to your DM, right? Or you comment prompt in the comment section to get that right away. Okay, see you in the next video.